Starting an online reselling business in 2024 can be an exciting and profitable venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started as a beginner. Identify your niche. Research popular products and markets to find a niche that suits your interests and expertise. Look for gaps in the market, emerging trends, and high-demand items. Develop a business plan. Outline your goals, target audience, marketing strategies, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and help you stay on track. Set up a legal structure. Choose the appropriate business structure, e.g., sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation, and register your business with the necessary government agencies. Obtain any required permits and licenses. Choose a platform. Select an e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy to create your online store. Consider factors such as ease of use, customization options, fees, and integrations with other tools. Build your online presence. Design your store with an attractive layout, clear product descriptions, and high-quality images. Optimize your site for search engines and create social media profiles to promote your brand. Source products. Find reliable suppliers for your chosen niche. This could involve wholesalers, liquidation sales, online marketplaces, or even thrift stores. Develop strong relationships with your suppliers to ensure a steady flow of inventory. Set competitive prices. Research your competitors and set prices that are both profitable for you and appealing to your target audience. Consider offering discounts, bundles, or free shipping to incentivize purchases. Implement efficient shipping and fulfillment. Choose a shipping carrier and determine your shipping rates. Set up a system to manage orders, packaging, and labeling to ensure timely and accurate delivery. Market your business. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising to reach potential customers and drive traffic to your store. Monitor and analyze performance. Track your sales, traffic, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and growth opportunities. Continuously refine your strategies and adapt to changes in the market. Provide exceptional customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries and address any issues that may arise. Building a strong reputation for customer satisfaction will help you establish a loyal customer base and generate positive word of mouth. Expand and scale your business. As your reselling business grows, consider diversifying your product offerings, expanding your marketing efforts, and exploring new sales channels. Continuously strive for improvement and innovation to maintain success in the competitive online marketplace.